Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G86 Power, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold power button and volume up, which brings up the boot options, and here select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button, volume down at the same time, and you can let go of both of them when you see the bootloader, which will be right about now. So in here, technically this is labeled as Fastboot mode, but if whatever you need Fastboot mode isn't really detecting it as such, you can also navigate to a different Fastboot mode. Using volume buttons, you want to select recovery mode, press power button to confirm it. In a moment you will see Android with no command, so when you do, hold power button, and while holding it you're going to click on volume up once. Like so. Now in here, we're now in the recovery mode, and just like before, we're going to use volume buttons to navigate. So with that in mind, you want to select to enter Fastboot, and then confirm it with the power button. And here's our dedicated Fastboot mode. And just like before, you can navigate here using your volume buttons and confirm things using your power button. And going quickly over, we have basically access to all the previous menus that we have gone through. So reboot system now takes us back to Android. We have enter recovery mode, which is the previous screen. We have bootloader, which is the first screen after turning off the device, and the last option is power off. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this will bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.